Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Today we are making chicken popcorn and Java tea. Yay!
We're going to show you how to make a great chicken popcorn and Java tea. So let's start with the ingredients. Obviously, we have a chicken, Royco, sugar, pepper, flour, potato, lime leaves, margarine. For the drinks, we have a tea with syrup and nata de coco. And the last one, we need an oil.
First of all, mix the wheat flour with the all-purpose flour and stir. Then divide into two parts because we're gonna need two kinds of flour. Then we're going to heat the butter to make the lime leaf rice. And for the seasoning, we use salt, pepper, mushroom stock, and sugar. Next, we make the chili sauce, or we call it sambal. Heat the oil for the chilies and garlic that have been ground and add the seasonings. Let's move on to the chicken. Add water into the flour and mix until it looks nice. And then we put the chicken that has been chopped. Do it slowly because we don't want to make a mess. Next, transfer the chicken to the dry flour. And we fry the chicken. Just use slow heat so it doesn't burn. And finally, we serve it nice and beautiful. And we're gonna add cucumber. Wow, it looks so good!
So we are making the Java tea. First, we slice the lemons. Next, we add the nata de coco. And the sliced lemon inside. And then we make the tea. For servings, we add the tea and the lemon with nata de coco water inside the glass. And don't forget to add sugar so it is sweet. Lastly, add the ice, and it's done.
Kita jangan pakai bahasa Inggris ya, Yu.
Ya dong. Oke.
Saya mau
Oke.
apa-apa. So
Okay guys,
see here.
can you explain why you choose this food?
Why?
Apa sih spesialnya? Kenapa kamu pilih? Ini
Because more like
Try it.
Oke, kita mau tahu reactions.
Sambalnya bikin apa?
Bikin sendiri. Also with this.
Wait.
Ini bikin sendiri loh, Miss Miss.
Sambalnya siapa yang bikin?
Aku ya.
Beli di rumah.
Di sini. Di sini.
Oh di sini.
Di rumah udah dialusin. Habis itu dibikin di sini. Kan enggak.
Ada nasinya ya. Ini tadi nasi daun jeruk.
Yes.
Enak juga. Nggak asin banget.
Gak asin banget, but tasty.
Iya.
Yeah.
Kan kadang ada yang terlalu asin tuh karena margarinnya atau apa yang terlalu perasaan ini. Ya.
How's the taste?
It's
How's the taste?
Ini sedotannya gede banget.
Special.
Oh, karena ada ininya.
Stainless.
Ininya. Lebih berasa nasi nata de coconya. Karena pakai air nata de coconya ya, nggak cuma ngambil nata de coconya. Ya, terus ditambah sama teh sama lemon.
yeah.
Nggak terlalu manis juga.
Thank you for watching.